This is D to the E to the L to the E. This is Dele Does It. And we're here in Eddie Hart. This is the 2021 edition. We wasn't here since 2020, but now we're back with a bang. We get fresh jerseys. Oh, let's check out the fresh jerseys now. Stuff your stomach. Watch it, watch. You see? And our very first feature for 2021 is Tefapops. Eh? So what you might want to know where is Tefapops. This is Venezuelan based. And they're right here in Trinidad and Tobago, sharing their treats with us. So let's go across. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Right. So she's going to introduce herself and she's going to take us through some of these treats that they brought from our motherland, so to speak, our sister island, country, continent. Let's just, right, so introduce yourself.
Hi, our name is Tefapops, and we sell some lollies. We have fruity, we have milky, and the milky flavors coming with some toppings and some chocolate free. The price is from $15, and we have some drinks too. It's real fruit, it's fresh. We make every day before coming here. We have every flavors. We have flavors in the choc, and we sell some waffles, some ice cream, and this is it.
All right, that's nice. So I've seen this drink here is many flavors, many colors. How did you get to, what is this? Tell me, what is this?
The name is Rainbow Bomb. This coming with a strawberry syrup, with some fresh passion fruit juice, orange juice, and some blue curacao with soda, with so many flavors here.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Same discoloration going on here?
This is grapefruit. This one is a strawberry syrup with some grapefruit, with some sugar and mint and some lime.
This right here is the cure to COVID. Right here. The cure. This is the vaccine. 1, 2, 3. Done. Gone. Never get it. This one here in blue is what I'm interested in. What is this?
This is lime. This coming with fresh lime juice with some mint, some sugar, and some Sprite. It's real fresh.
So what exciting you can make for the camera?
I can make this one for you if you want it.
All you want to see the rainbow? We're going to see the rainbow. Go ahead, make the rainbow. Notice she's putting on the gloves. Sanitization for the COVID-19 business. Right? So as you can see here, she said there's fruit and there's milk lollies in Eddie Hart. What days y'all come out?
Huh?
What days y'all out?
We come in from Thursday to Sunday, from 6 p.m. to 10.
From 6 p.m. to 10, from Thursday to Sunday, right here in Eddie Hart, Trincity. Who in the West, well, come on up now. Come on up. This is stuff your stomach. Usually we'll have a competition, but that's alright. You see next week? Next week we'll have the competition going again. We had the who was the guy? Cameraman, who was the guy from last year who won? Yeah. Peter won last year, man. Peter, if you're looking at this, yeah, you win. Now we have, in the meantime, she's preparing. Hey, just now. We want to see the thing preparing. We want to see.
Check, this is the strawberry syrup, some passion fruit juice, and we can put some orange juice too. And this is the mix with some soda and blue curacao. We'll mix it and put on top. For the colors.
So is this like a regular snack in Venezuela?
No, we We make only here because in Venezuela we work and other things. But we like it what I make here.
So where did you learn this from?
From internet and my mind, I don't know.
So this is our original creation. This is not something inherited from Venezuela. This is you switch from Trinidad to Venezuela, Venezuela to Trinidad, and she came up with this idea in her head. And look what she came up with. Take it in, watch for yourself. If that is not innovation, I don't know what is. And the moment of truth is almost here. I get to taste it. Right. Thank you kindly. Only watch my thing now. Cameraman come in now, 2-4. Watch my thing now. Watch the layers. Pap, pap, pap. Yeah, son? Get the name, get the name, get the name, get the name. Get the name. Get the name. Tefapop. This is stuff your stomach. Dele does it. Dele does it. Dele did it. You're gonna drink it. Only wait, I'll tell all it is. Just now. Unveiling. Unveiling. I should take this off. Yeah, I think it's. Let's remove this, huh? Right. Yes. You get all the flavors, all the juice, everything in one sip. So you're going to do. You want to start the sip from here and go down. You see, you taste everything from the top, go down to that straw. It's a skill. I have classes on Fridays. This is Dele Does It for stuff your stomach. It's a very short version, but you're going to be out here every Sunday at 7 o'clock live. Live, like tonight, we're going to be live. Of course, we have New Jersey. Before we go, let me show you what we get. Zoom in to my cup in the meantime. Glad our camera. Now hit my head real hard now. Go into the cup, go into the cup, go into the cup. In the meantime, that's the ad. Bye. All they watch, we get fresh thing, you know. We get mask and thing, you know. Watch it. Watch it. Yes, good quality thing. Good quality. I'll put on this napkin. Good quality thing. Look, we have jerseys. Hey. What I saying there? Stuff your stomach. And of course all the businesses that we in part with, to get it printed on the back of the jersey. So you see we have belly biting, we have the Dele Does It face, and we have catch and grill. You know, catch and grill is what start off the stuff your stomach entire series, right? So this is Dele Does It. I'm going to finish my drink. We're going to come back next week. Remember, every Sunday at 7 o'clock, Stuff Your Stomach is going to be in Eddie Hart, or slight variations in different food outlets across Trinidad and Tobago, but we based in Eddie Hart. You might check the wings, people next door. Check the wings, check the wings, check the wings, check the wings. You might check the wings, people next door. Might check them next door. And next week at 7 o'clock in Eddie Hart. So you can come down or take it in live on your phone or on the computer. And remember, when nobody else does it, Dele does it.